everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking out the Autumn Pusheen box. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing really well. Sorry if this is a little echoey in here, it does sound a bit echoey, but we're in a different setup today. I've got out my little Halloween sort of selection. October is my favourite time of the month. It's the best. I love watching horror films, everything like that, even though I don't watch them all year round, but it's just extra special because it's Halloween. Today we are opening up the Pusheen box. I'm super excited. I have no idea what's in here. I've seen no, sneak peeks or anything, so it's completely, I don't have a clue. So I'm going to show you the first looks now. This is the thing that you can see at the top of the box. I love all the pumpkins and bats and ghosts and just everything, all spooky and everything like that. It looks great. So I'm not going to have a look, I'm just going to pick out the stuff willy-nilly. So first thing is this. Oh, this is so cute. So it's a Pusheen vinyl. It is a ghost of the Pusheen. I don't know if I can get it out. The box is really nice. Obviously up to a Halloween sort of thing. Have a quick little look. So this is what he looked like out of the box. That is really nice. And it looks really fancy as well. And it has all the Pusheen stuff at the bottom as well. Next up, is another box. Oh, so we have a double-walled glass cup. So I'm guessing it's going to be like glitter inside and sort of things like that. And it's glow in the dark. So it looks like it's also glass. I know it said double glass, but sometimes it doesn't actually mean that. Oh, so it's very small, but it is very adorable and super cute. Oh, it's not what I thought it was. So normally when it's double walled, it has all glitters and stuff in it, but it literally is just double walled. So like the glass goes down to there. It looks really nice with the designs. They're like, I think it's all vinyl that's on here. So we have a ghost, pumpkin, more ghosts, and little stars, moons, bats, and all that sort of stuff. I really like this. I'm not sure what I'll drink out of it. I don't drink tea or coffee. I don't know if you know if you do use this for tea or coffee. It just says a glass cup, so I guess you just use it for anything. But yeah, I think it's really cute and I really like it. And this was the box, a little more like decorations on the side. So next we have, this is the big thing, it's a jumper and it looks really nice, like a tie-dye. So let's open it up. Oh, it's very simple. So the only thing that's on this is this little Pusheen ghost in the corner. But that is really sweet. I didn't want anything like too, and it's really big. Oh god, I need to stand up and show you how big this is.
It is XL, but
yeah, it did say XL, but like normally it's for size, not so much going down. Yeah, look at this. You can't even see me anymore. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. I love it so much. It's really cozy and cuddly as well. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this because some of them are a bit either too small or just really just not my style. But this is my style and everything, and the Pusheen ghost is super cute. Right, next item. Another box. Oh, okay. Oh. It's an LED candle with a remote. So you have a spooky candle, so you don't have to worry about burning the house down. You can control it from far away in the room. That is amazing. I've always wanted one of these fake candles, but then I never got around to it. And now I actually have one, and it's a Pusheen, which is even great, even better. Yeah, so that's basically what it is. I'm not going to get out of the box. I'm going to do that later. Maybe if I do anything, I may put a phone here. I don't know. But yeah, it is really cool. Right, coming down to the last few things in this box, which is already amazing. So next up, it was a bit broken, but we have a Booing My Best socks. They're purple. My favourite colour is purple, and again it's got the Pusheen. Oh, really amazing. I think it's just normal socks, but it's in a Halloween theme. Yeah, I really like that. I'm not sure what he's holding. I guess it's some sort of candy, some chocolate or something. But yeah, I really like that, and I like the pun as well. Next thing we have a hat to go with my jumper. Just a beanie. So this is what it is. It's very nice. It's like silver and black, which I really like, and then it has the ghost again. I really like it. Definitely will fit me. It's not that small, and it's very stretchy. And I really like it. I don't have many beanies, or then sometimes I go through a phase of buying too many beanies. So sometimes I have loads, and sometimes I'm running out and need more. So it's a good time, and I really like it. Right, we have 2 things left in the box. I have to quickly check to see if this is the last item or not. And it's not, but this is Pom Pom. Is it a garland? Garland. I guess it's just. I don't think it's even lights. I think it's just a display. Yeah, it's just a little display. It has Pusheen ghosts and pink and orange pom poms. Also, I think it's just for general decoration. I don't know if you put it out for Halloween or just like me and have Halloween decorations out all year round. But yeah, this is a very nice, simple thing. I don't know what I'll use it. I don't know even if I will use it. But it's still nice to have it in the box. So now this is the last item, and I've saved the best for last because I just saw what it is. You can't see. So we have 2 ghost Pusheen enable pins. Enable. I can't even say it properly, and I was trying to be like a video progression.
Enamel.
But yeah, this is enamel pins. We have a ghost with some sweets, and we have a ghost who looks shocked. It's a bit, I don't know if it's, no, it's not glittery. It did look a bit glittery in the packet. But yeah, we have 2 pins. So Mark, you can have that one.
Hey.
That's my one. But this is amazing. I can't believe we've got pins in this as well. Like me and Mark, we are a big pin collectors. So that is great. And yeah, that is everything in the box, all emptied out. So we're just going to do a quick run through of everything we've got in the box, and yeah, then we're going to wrap up the video. So we're going to start from what we just did, which was the pins. I love these so much. Definitely going to go on my pin board at home. We have this pom pom garland. We have a hat, which I will definitely wear. Some socks again that I will definitely wear, and I actually think these are super cute. Might wear them tomorrow. We have the LED candle with controller and the candle and controller. The glass double walled glass, which I still don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's glow in the dark, and I'm very excited to test that out later. We have my really cute jumper, which is just so big and baggy, just perfect for the winter season. And finally, this Pusheen vinyl figure. I kept saying sticker, so hopefully we can cut that out. Yeah, and that's everything in the box. My favourite thing from the box, I would say, is the jumper. And I don't know, it's between the figure and the candle. I'm gonna say the figure because it's really cool, and it's kind of like almost like, it's hard to explain, but it's almost transparent. So it's very nice, and it's a great thing to have. I also have 2 other Pusheen figures from these boxes, so hopefully when I have more space, I'm actually going to display them all, which I think would be really nice. But yeah, that is everything today for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it was a little bit short, but I hope you enjoyed this new setup and all the spookiness and everything like that. And that is everything, guys. So I hope you have a good time, have a happy spooky season, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. So bye. How much was this?
I don't know.
And last but not least, our vinyl sticker of the ghost.
Figure.
What did I say?
Sticker.
Sticker. So I said figure. And this Pusheen vinyl
Figure.
figure.